You'll need to head to Home Depot and pick up a tube like this. I don't know what size it is. You'll just have to take a firecracker with you and see which fits the tube best. Make sure to get a cap. You'll also need the smallest drill bit you can find and a good drill, and some firecrackers. And lastly, you'll need a bullet, which is, in this case, we'll be using a pellet. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure that everything fits together nicely. So, you need to take your cap and screw it onto the end. Make sure that it can come off and go on easily, and that there's nothing in the way. Step 2. This is a step in which you'll take your drill and drill a small hole in the end of the cap for your firecracker fuse to go through. Be sure to set it on a hard surface that you don't mind scratching up if you accidentally poke through a little bit too hard. Make sure that you have scraped off all the metal that still may be stuck on the inside. Step 3. You'll want to take the firecracker fuse and make sure that it will go through the hole easily. Then, all you need to do is hold onto the fuse and the cap and screw it on. Step 4. This is how to load your cannon properly, so the bullet won't fall out. First, you want to get a piece of newspaper, and get a little piece about an inch long and wad it up into a ball. Then, get your bullet and place it in the barrel. Then, get your wad and get something long like a screwdriver or a drill bit and ram it in there. Be sure that you can flip it upside down without the bullet coming out, and then you'll be ready to go.